Hi and welcome to NAMM 1219 at the Sennheiser booth. My name is Tobias von Alverden, product manager at Sennheiser, and today I would like to introduce you our latest reveal, the Sennheiser XS Wireless Digital. This is our entry-level digital wireless system. We're aiming for the musicians as well as for the mobile journalists or video journalists. The system works in the 2.4 gigahertz range, and it consists out of 3 different types of transmitters and 3 different types of receivers. And depending on the use case, whether it be a vocal or a lavalier microphone, or use on the camera or use on the bass or guitar, you choose the corresponding transmitter or receiver. So for instance, we have XLR, we have 3.5 millimeter mini jack, as well as 6.3 millimeter jack going into a guitar or a bass. All of this is available as of today. It can be ordered online. We offer various sets depending on the use case, so you can either get just the receiver and the transmitter, or you can get complete sets including a microphone, such as a dynamic microphone or a lavalier microphone, and everything you need to attach it to, for instance, a belt pack, clip or anything.